Phumelela Gaming and Leisure has for some time experienced testing economic and trading conditions. The company, like many other local businesses, came under even greater strain when the government imposed a national lockdown to cope the spread of coronavirus.
The financial pressures on Phumelela have been long coming. And, if one looks at the share price just over the last number of years, it's clear to see that there's been financial difficulties for Phumelela. One of the biggest events probably was last year in April when the government levy, the government subsidy of 3% of betting taxes was suspended by the Gauteng Gambling Board. And that certainly resulted in significant cash flow constraints for Phumelela. And the national lockdown as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic has really been the last or the final straw in terms of severe pressures on cash flows and severe financial constraints.
Mass gatherings at gaming, sports and entertainment events are still prohibited under Level 4. National Horse Racing Authority CEO V. Moodley says they've requested permission from authorities to resume controlled closed horse racing. They say this will help save jobs in the sector.
Our application went in on that basis that we've already raced behind locked doors from the 15th of March to the 27th of March successfully. We can do so again. Actually, every morning from 4 in the morning till 9:30, every training center around the country is caring for these horses on a daily basis. What we pleaded for is, please let us replicate what we do in the morning between 12 o'clock and 5 o'clock during the day. The potential of saving 60,000 jobs and 750,000 dependents. And total event time is no more than 15 minutes per day. Surely that should be understood.
On Friday, Phumelela suspended its shares from the JSE in preparation to go into business rescue. At the time, its board said this is the best option to ensure the long-term survival of the company and the sport of horse racing. Reports suggest that Phumelela is in line for a financial boost, with the Oppenheimer family pledging financial support. It's not yet clear what direction the company will take with the news of the financial injection. And the uncertainty over when the restrictions will be lifted, there's no telling when it will again be able to generate revenue. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.